Hi everyone, welcome to Regent Road. Just stood outside the Troll Cart, public house and hotel as well. So we're just going to have a walk down the first half of Regent Road up to the crossing, if you know what I mean. So we're just coming up to the very popular rock shop, just coming up on the left hand side there. Docker's Rock Factory, which you can see the rock being made inside. So if you've never been in before, if you go to the back, quite often they will be making the rock at the back and you'll be able to watch sort of behind the screens. When I was younger there wasn't any screens there, but I suppose health and safety. But it's a very popular shop, that is. It's not really changed much over the years. Don't forget to give us a like, give us a share. Any comments you leave, much appreciated. Tell us what you think of Regent Road. What's your favourite shop on Regent Road? If you leave a message in the comments. I think one of mine is probably the rock shop, but we've just gone past. And that's a famous, a popular, should I say, cafe just there. We're just going past on the left hand side. Now, just coming up on the left hand side now is the old waxworks. That's where it was for years and years and years. Probably most people say it's the worst ever waxworks. I know some of you put your photos on. If you've got any photos of in there, pop them on the comments, please. Nice to see them. And to the right, that's where the fire was. Those quite a few years ago now. That's all been rebuilt. Lots of new shops in there. I think there's flats above as well. Cottage Jewels just on the left hand side. That's been there for quite some time as well. I think if you're going to Yarmouth, you've got to at least walk up and down here at least once if you're here for like a week. It's a must walk. Obviously they've got all the new lights over the last sort of about 3 years. They've got all the new lights. Look a bit like the wind turbines across the road. Don't forget there is the YouTube channel as well. I do keep putting a link on. I do try and put like different videos. As of recording this, I've got 300 videos on the YouTube channel. So if you like the Yarmouth videos, it's well worth popping across and having a look what there is. One of the jewellers. The joke shop just coming up in a moment on the left. We'll spin it round. Who goes in there? Have you bought anything from the joke shop? Tickles, that's been there a long time. another popular shop. I think the owner's retired, but obviously it's been, I'm assuming it's been took over by some new people, so it's still got the same name.